Hi guys, for today's video ay cooking grilled chicken. Hi guys, for today's video ayan, meron tayo ng chicken curry. Chicken curry tayo. Hi guys, for today's video, ang ulam natin ay chicken curry.
Kunin ko na lang yung sapo ko, matutuli ako na. Okay. Okay.
What?
Kunin ko na lang yung sapo ko, matutuli ako. Meron siya ko.
Hi guys, for today's video, ayan,